Hello, my sister Ramkrishna. This is Nash. So here one person told that like this basically things are connected because Amin and Patel group basically are also your enemy basically. So one of the person told I don't know any Amin basically. Then how basically you will become enemy of Sunil Arnayavarti? So you might be possible that you remember some old days basically. Some person might be there basically. He might have converted to Amin basically, and he have become basically very rich person basically. So 1% might be possible basically, because anything basically can happen in this world basically. So here 1% told that like this basically Americans are also creating problem because Americans are knocker of Patel and Amin group basically. American governments are basically. So because these groups are investing money basically in America basically. So 1% told that the war basically which is happening basically in Iran, that is basically done on the base of these groups are only doing basically, that is Irani embassy basically, who are doing job in America basically. So 1% told that yes basically, Irani people basically are only finishing Iran basically. So 1% might be possible, but we can't say 100%. Then 1% told that it might be possible that the Irani embassy basically might be in gunpoint basically of Gujaratis. That is Patel group and Amin group basically. So 1% told that might be possible because Americans are handled by these two group basically. So what is correct basically we can't debug it until basically we know the reality basically. But one thing is 100%, Iranis are finishing by Irani only. Iran basically are getting finished by Irani groups only basically. That is Irani embassy basically in USA. So 1% told that you basically can think up to this level, but Irani people basically are bloody fools. They basically can't think. So 1% told that might be possible. They might be trusting basically the Irani embassy basically. But if Iran will get end, then what you will do basically? So 1% told yes, yeah, that is also correct. So next video.